Here's a smoothie recipe that I bet you never had before. Even if you don't like smoothies, I can turn them into healthy shots that you can drink or eat. We will start with the smoothie. Get your blender out, add in your banana, a single avocado, look at how good this looks. Some almond milk. You can use regular milk if you like, or oat milk. And for the sweetener, I used maple syrup. You can add other sweeteners like agave syrup or stevia if you prefer. Blend those ingredients together. As for the amount of milk, for the lack of a better word, depending on how runny you want your smoothie, add a little bit and then thin it out more if it looks too thick, until you get a smooth consistency. That's it, your smoothie drink is ready to be served. Now I'll show you how you can turn it into a healthy shot with one simple addition. We will add the same ingredients as before, the bananas, the fresh avocado, and your preferred milk. For the healthy shot, I used honey as a sweetener. Again, you can use whatever sweetener you prefer, maple syrup, agave, stevia. Blend everything together, just like before. Get some shot glasses. Here is the twist on this. To add the healthy boost, we're gonna add some chia seed at the bottom of the glass. Pour the smoothie. And at the top of the glass. Just as I promised at the beginning of the video, if you prefer to turn this into a dessert, then you need to blend in your chia seed. Once you finish with the blender, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seed into the mixture, mix it with a spoon, and then pour it into your preferred serving plate or your preferred cup. Then give it time to solidify in the fridge. And that's how you can make your healthy shot or dessert. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your healthy friends.